So in a triangle, if midpoints of the sides of the triangle is, let us consider the triangle as a ABC, okay, and here midpoint of the BC is a D, you consider. Usually we will take like this, DEF. If DEF is given as a x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, finding the vertices of the triangle. Midpoints are given to you and finding the vertices. Let us consider that these vertices as a comma B, C comma D, E comma F, A B C.
Sir, A comma B plus E comma F by 2 equal to sir x1 comma y.
Yes. They are the midpoints now. So we are going to get a midpoint formula you take into consider here. ये दोनों का ये AC का midpoint है E है. So from that you are going to get A plus E by 2 is equals to x2. So from this, can I write it directly? A plus E is equal to 2x2. Directly, we'll write it as a plus E is equals to 2x2. Okay. Next, B plus F is equals to 2y2. We need to find out A, B, C, D, E, F values. Okay. So now here, wherever A and E are, you are having A plus E, B plus F is equals to 2y2 we are having. In the same way, you write the remaining all the midpoints. So A plus C is equals to 2x3. A plus C is equals to B plus D is equals to 2y3. B plus D y3. Okay. In the same way, C plus E is equals to 2x1 and D plus F is equals to 2y1. Now we need to find out A, B, C, D, E values from these equations. Now I will extract from you only. How do we get the A, B, C, D values from these equations? AB is equals to?
So can I tell?
AB is equal, I didn't get AB, A comma B. No, sides are not. This is scalene triangle. You consider triangles, this is not an equilateral triangle. Just it is given in any triangle. Midpoints they are given to you x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Actually, can you tell me the what is already answer I told to you? So A comma B is nothing but A is equals to, we are going to get x2 plus x3 minus x1. A is equals to, so A value we need to find out. So how do we find out the A value from this? See, these three equations you consider as a one set. These three equations you consider the one set and that three equations another set. So this, from these two equations I am subtracting 1, 2, 3 equations consider karo. This is 4, 5, 6 consider. See, from these two equations I am eliminating A. So by subtracting. So we are going to get equation in terms of C and E. So actually three equations में three different variables are there. This is a linear equation in three variables you can consider. So what? Yes, linear equations in three variables. And when their situation is like this, we need to eliminate the one variable from the two equations. No, first these are the x1, x2, x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the constants because as the numbers are given. These are the variables. A, B, A, C, E are the variables here, and B, D, F are the variables. Just you subtract 1 and 1 minus 2 karo. So, what do you get? 1 minus 2 kar sakte, 2 minus 1 karo. 2 minus 1, second equation minus first equation. So what I will get here? Second equation mein A plus C minus A minus E is equals to 2x3 minus 2x2. Isn't it? So now here A will get cancelled. We are going to get C plus E is equals to C minus E equal to 2x3 minus 2x2. एंड c प्लस e ऑलरेडी वी आर हैविंग, c प्लस e इज इक्वल्स टू 2x1, दोनों को ऐड करो, c प्लस e c माइनस e आया, नाउ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल आ गया, linear equation in two ways. So from this you are going to get 2c is equals to adding, we are adding 2 times of x3 minus x2 plus x1. So now 2 will get cancelled. C is equals to x3 plus x1 minus x2. C आ गया. This C you substitute in the any one of the two equations here. In this substitute करो. Substitute in 3. Substitute in equation number 3. So third equation में substitute कर लिया तो what do you get here? x3 plus x1 minus x2 plus e is equals to 2x1 we are going to get. E value we need e equals to. So अब बाकी सब सारा चीजें सुधार लेके जाओ. So e is equals to 2x1 minus x1 minus x3 plus x2. So from this you are going to get it. I'll write here. E is equals to 2x1 minus x. So x1 plus x2 minus x3 आ जाए. This e value you substitute in the first equation. Substitute in equation number 1. 1 में substitute कर. So 1 में substitute करना बोले what do you get here? A plus e. So a plus e. E is x1 plus x2 minus x3 is equals to 2x2. Okay. In any one of the two equations you can substitute to find out the rest. See, simple logic is what here. 3 variables are there in the 3 equations. A, C, E. So A, C, E. In these two equations, A eliminate करो. C and E में one more linear equation form होगा. C and E में एक linear equation है. C and E में another linear equation. Solving the two linear equations, C value you will get, A value you will get. And after getting the C and E values, these values you go and substitute in the A. You know, any one of the two equations. So A value are going. Same thing you can do in case of these 3 equations. So these two equations में B eliminate करो. D and F में आ जाएगा. D and F. इधर D and F है. D minus F आ जाएगा. D plus F. So you can find out that. So let us see here. A is equals to 2x2 minus x1 minus x2 plus x3. So A is equals to x2 plus x3 minus x1. So this is A and this is E and here this is C. Okay na? In the same way, if you are finding similarly by eliminating, we are going to get the B value. A value, what do you get here? A value x2 plus x3. x2 plus x3 minus x1 you got. In the same way, we are going to get the B value y2 plus y3 minus y1. Same way. In the same way, as we did the A, C, E values, we found these 3 equations considered 4, 5, 6. And you find it. So B you are going to get it as a y2 plus y3 minus y1. B value. y2 plus y3 minus y1. And next D value. D is equals to what you get here? D here है. तो ये vertex है. ये vertex 2 sides are there. So y1 plus y3 minus y2. y1 plus y3 minus y2. This is D. And F is equals to F चाहिए हमें. This one we are going to get y1 plus y2 minus y3. y1 plus y2 minus y3. That we will get on solving these 3. But I am writing there. So the easiest way to remember that when the midpoints are given to you to find out the vertices, easiest way to remember is that ये vertex चाहिए तो ये दोनों sides, this vertex we are going to get with these 2 sides. ये 2 sides का midpoints को add करो, इसका opposite midpoint को subtract करो. This is the process to remember, just to try to remember. But the proof we are going to get like this. Is it clear? So if you are taking these as again x1 y1 x2 y2 something सारा एक ही जैसा दिखता है. एक x1 dash x2 dash dash दे दिया तो उसमें confusion हो सकता है. That's why better we take the other variable so that confusion will not be there. Because there will be a illusion. ऑप्टिकल इल्यूशन बोलते हैं, हमारा आंखों के सामने x1 डैश दिखा है, वो x1 जैसा कभी कभी हो सकता है, फील हो सकता है. So if you are considering this point as a x1 dash y1 dash and this as a x2 dash y2 dash x3 dash y3 dash, there will be a little bit confusion. You will get the answer, but there is a little bit confusion. To avoid that confusion, better we take the other variables. Okay.